Okay, this is number 23. We're going to find the relative extrema. All right, so this is my function. I'm going to find my first derivative. Okay, my first derivative, I have to use the chain rule here. So I pull the 2 down. I subtract 1 from the exponent. And then the derivative of the inside is just 1. So I should really write times 1 there, but that doesn't change the problem. Okay, second derivative, I get 2. And then x minus 5 to the 0, because 1 minus 1 is 0, which makes this whole thing cross off, which means I get just the second derivative equal to 2. So I can't use the second derivative test because I don't have an x value here. So I'm forced to use the first derivative test. All right, so I'm going to set the first derivative equal to 0. Two cannot equal 0. X equals 5. All right. 5 on the number line. I'm testing intervals from negative infinity to 5 and 5 to positive infinity. So I have 2 times 0 minus 5, because I'm testing 0 for this interval. So I get 2 times negative 5, which is a negative number. So that means that the graph is decreasing. All right, now I'm going to plug in 6. So I get 2 times 1, which is positive, which means that my graph is increasing. So my graph is going from decreasing to increasing, which means I have a relative minimum at x equals 5. So I now go back to my original function, and I evaluate 5. I get 0 squared, which is 0. So my point is 5, 0. And that is my relative minimum.